Love grapes. Almost torn off in 3 minutes. Wipe your face. Use these 2 base makeup products. Mix them together. Use your fingers as much as possible. Spread it evenly on the face. In this way, the base makeup we put on is... There will be that kind of clean and flawless, but it doesn't look particularly heavy. It is equivalent to using a high-power concealer foundation, but not like foundation superimposed paste concealer so heavy. The base makeup looks very delicate and clear. The nostrils must be brought here. In this way, the base makeup is really concealer and strong, but very moisturizing. This makeup is really amazing. The other side also went up the mountain for him. Who knows this creamy muscle feeling? Oh my god. I was really tested by the small and medium-sized youth at that time. With one I thought this was earth-colored. Oh, blush cream. I didn't expect him to be a little biased. Pinch it with a puff. Then slap the edge off. It doesn't matter, our volume hasn't gone up yet. So step is a little bit heavier. It doesn't matter. Try to open the face a little more. Just don't have particularly obvious color blocks. My words this time are only half of the face. When you should practice. Just half and half. Pinch it up with a puff and give it to him. Just shoot it open. What we used today. The whole product is probably of this color. It will make the whole makeup look more uniform. Then come up to brighten. Remember to scrape the mouth of the bottle twice, then draw in our face with a small puff. Shoot it in place. It's this moist, creamy texture. Good stretch. This pink. Toning. Spreading it out is the kind of key in blood that turns red in the white. Natural and beautiful. This must be patted lightly now. Don't shoot too hard. The feeling of slowly spreading out. In this way, the brightening effect is really good. Oh my god. The other one is the same. The upper face can obviously feel very moist. And the softness is also good. Won't fight with our base makeup. I tried. Moisturizing liquid foundation and makeup foundation. Won't fight. After the photo is opened, the degree of facial folding becomes higher. The whole surface is lit up. Watch the overall brightening complete. The makeup of the line is very enhancing. It won't be that fake white feeling. Because I feel like my chin is a little short, chin long, or if the chin is normal, you can ignore this step. Short chin can follow me. Bring out our bottom side. And our foreheads. My forehead is really too short. Somebody help me. The forehead is to put our entire eyebrow above. Then the middle part of the forehead is brightened. The position of the hairline on the other sides. Still have to keep a little shadow. The triangle area should also be brightened here. Brighten up the triangle here. Just try to pat it as lightly as possible. Don't take it, just trust the entire bridge of the nose on it. Gently brighten in a small area. Cover your lips slightly with fish meal. Dark or something. I won't go into the special lighting. Next, facelift. This step is really time-consuming, family members. But in pursuit of our ultimate makeup effect, this step is essential. Just follow the practice and it's over. We'll just draw a few points. Use the lip liner on the other end. Take our lip liners in advance too. Strangle me now. After painting this lip liner before setting makeup, he seems to be more natural. He feels like the shadow of your own lips. Needless to say the steps here. It is the basic operation of scratching and rebuilding. The added step here is that I will put. Some shadow spots on the inside of the lips are also drawn. But it doesn't really matter. So I think you can also omit this step. Then we have to deepen our summer solstice. Raiders a little. Freeze frame screenshot. Take out one of our denser diagonal head brushes. Just start poking. Poke in place first. Slowly smudge around. I only added 1.5 times the speed for this. I was going to double the speed. But I'm afraid you're looking too fast. I changed it to 1.5x speed again. Long time consuming. But we have to be patient in order to be beautiful, right? And you can see here it's creeping up. I'm still drawing a bit heavy this step. But it doesn't matter. This is before setting makeup. We will also. I will cover this color a little when setting makeup. It will be natural then. Poke must be poke. Don't drag it. Don't procrastinate. It's poke, introduce him first. If you rub it, you will rub off the base makeup, but if you poke it, it will not work. Must be a dense brush. A brush that's too loose won't work. He can't poke it. Be sure to have a dense brush. Finally, make some detailed adjustments. It'll be fine soon. Hold on a little longer, family. Hold on a little longer. Okay. Just use this brush. Rub our lip liner off. This step can be rubbed. Try your best, everyone. Put this foundation on our lips. Rub him off with liquid foundation. The cleaner the better. Just let him come with us. This lip line is one. The one with the lip liner. Iron the balm for the lip liner inside. Cover it. Here, as long as you smudge your lip line naturally, no problem. There is no trick here. It's over when you're dizzy. It's over when you're dizzy. Just take a little bit of the lower lid here. Nothing special. What is that? I'm here to put the eyebrows on the eyebrows. Rub off that liquid foundation a little too. Then bring a little bit of this blush color. Better looking. Hey, hey! Then our setting is a colored powder. Determine as a whole. The nose side should be fixed. My nose is really hard to pin because he's scented. Just try to be as firm as possible. The nose is very easy to take off makeup, you see. Use our trim color. Draw our eyebrows directly. Now the teacher asked me, how did you draw your hairy eyebrows? It's painted with eyebrow powder. Eyebrow powder or grooming powder are okay. No tail here. Just poke the eyebrows. Or just use this. Just give the eyelids a rough bottom. You can also use this brush. I paint it for convenience. I use this brush for my convenience. Take it a little. Our velvet and grooming. It is also essential now. Because of the color of this liquid foundation, a little white for me. Therefore, the grooming of the outer volume is add one for our face. The feeling of folding degree will not appear. Your whole head and whole face are very big. Press the white one on the outside a little bit. High gloss pressure, one pressure. Your face won't look so weird. But it's still a little bit of a small effect. Mix the two colors. Give us a little bottom for the entire upper and lower eyelids. Remember to use this medium and small brush. Mix these two colors. Deepen the position of the roots of our eyelashes and let he has a little sense of hierarchy. And give us this neat pink on our eyelids. It doesn't look swollen. The brush is scraped clean on this little sponge. Take this brightening color. Highlight our Eyebrow Sal. There's a double eyelid attached here, see? Probably this fan. Just tilt the eyelash curler with an electric eyelash curler. No difficulty, no difficulty. It's a little difficult. It's a bit difficult to return eyelashes. Then use mascara to remove the eyelashes. Brush thicker, this is not very easy to use. The C collapsed soon after. Use our eyebrow pencil, haha, didn't expect it? I got a few more eyebrows in the back, just frowned and frowned. So don't worry, there is no skin content. Here. Use the eyebrow dye cream on the other end. Slightly. Mask our eyebrow color. Who said this eyeliner pen is easy to use? Actually, I really feel so. I kept him poking me in the eye. Here is the inner eyeliner. Draw inner eyeliner with eyeliner. Use brown eyeliner to draw inner eyeliner. Keep poking me in the eye. It's just the comfort of drawing, I don't feel it, The other two I used work well. No technical content. Just need you. Persistence. Keep your eyes open and fill out the eyeliner. The tail can be a little thicker here. Draw it a little. Okay, raise the eyebrows directly along here. Pull one along the end of our eyes. Pull one out. You can look in the mirror every now and then. Adjust the shape. Draw a small triangle. I see it's not connected to him. Use this again. Brush this color with a blade. Give him Pull it out a little more, which is more suitable for beginners. Use eyeliner to continue replenishing him. Look at the mirror and pull it slowly. Eyeliner, we need some patience. With burgundy eyeliner, blue pen to brighten the corner of the eye here. Okay, it's also a detail brush, just cover it a little bit. Deepen it and deepen it down to the position. Down to? Paint our Eyebrow style with brimming colors, or the one just now with a little thickness. Detail brush. To draw our Eyebrow style, you don't need to draw it very wide. Key this. False eyelashes according to his. Just paste the order of the eyes and ends of the eyes. He has a mark on it, copy and glue. Brighten our eyes with our pearlescent highlights. This is the icing on the cake. If you don't like it, you can be so pearlescent. The highlight of the nose I'm uploading on both sides. So when his face turned a little bit sideways, highlights look good and beautiful. Gotta rub it with your fingers. I also have a little on my eyelids. Because I want. I like the feeling of some kind of water. A feeling of water light. Slight water feeling. I think it's beautiful. Use our lip glaze. Do you want this color? It feels very transparent. This color is a bit. I took it as a base. Then brush it open with a lip brush. When I think of you laying a foundation, ask me about this one. Mainly the color of this one. All over the lower lip. Sip it. In fact, the end is to apply the whole lip. Fill your lower lip and blur the line at the edge. Upper lip too. Finally, use a lip brush. Tidy up. Don't make the line on the edge look particularly solid. Don't let the edge be a lump. That lip glaze is there. Can you understand? No lip glaze on the edge. That's it.